Is your Mazda CX-9 2007 to 2015 key fob not working? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. You can easily replace it yourself, saving time and money. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a CR225 or CR2032 3 lithium coin cell battery. The flip key fob integrates a mechanical key for traditional ignition and a remote transmitter powered by the 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. It communicates via radio frequency RF with the vehicle's receiver for commands like remote start on equipped models. Battery depletion causes symptoms like unresponsive remotes, weak signals, or intermittent locking. First, gently pry open the key fob case using the small screwdriver. Start at the key end where there's usually a small notch. Be careful not to force it to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, locate the battery. It's typically held in place by a small metal clip. Remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, usually the positive side. Insert the new battery with the correct orientation. Snap the case back together until it's firmly closed. Test the remote functions, lock, unlock, etc. If it still doesn't work, try reprogramming, or there might be a bigger issue.